So today I'm going to be showing you how to start one of the most lucrative businesses in 2024. And what am I talking about? It's coaching. How to start a coaching business in 2024. And one thing I want you to know is forget about what you have learned or what you've been told in the past. You don't need to be passionate about it to make good money. So if you want to start and build your digital empire, then you are in the right place, because I'm going to be showing you using this 5-step framework to start a very successful coaching business. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Emeka, and right here I break down ways you can build a digital empire online by starting businesses, growing businesses, having the right tools and strategies for you to scale those businesses online. And today I'm showing you how to start a coaching business in 2024. Now, before you start your coaching business, there are a few things you need to understand. And the very first thing is you need to know your skill set and your experience, and not necessarily your passion. Because when you're passionate about something, you might not be able to put in the work to help you succeed at that particular thing. But today, what you need to know is you need to understand your skills. What skills do you have? What are you good at? What have you done in the past? And what experiences do you have? So while you put that together, and you can use AI to do this, and I'll share the prompt right on the screen right now. So you follow this prompt that is right on the screen, and the AI would help you generate 10 questions that would help you in narrowing down the different business ideas that you can do. And one of them is coaching. So focus on coaching. Then the next thing you need to understand is you need to know the niches, and that's step 2. Now that you know the skills and experience you have, you need to know the 3 most profitable niches in coaching, and they are health, wealth, and relationship. And that's what everyone is focused on. People need help in growing their businesses and growing their wealth. So things around investment, real estate, all fall under wealth. And also starting a business, growing into a career, all fall under wealth. Things that have to do with fitness, supplements, all fall under health. And things that have to do with relationship, with parenting, relationship, dating, and all fall under relationship. So these are the 3 categories or 3 major niches you need to know when starting your business. So like I said earlier, you need to focus on step 1, which is knowing your skill set and experiences, and match that with step 2, which is understanding the profitable niches. So now that you know your skill set and you know the profitable niche, the next step you need to go is step 3. And now in step 3, this is where you now find out who your ideal customer is. So for the purpose of this video, let's look at one of the profitable niches, which is career coaching. And why do I say that? You realize that platforms like Simplifies, Coursera, Udemy make millions of dollars every year by helping people progress in their careers and gather new skills. And you too can do the same. Don't forget, the university or higher institution you went to also do the same. They are doing coaching. Yes, they are doing coaching. And education is also part of coaching. And you too can start your own education system by understanding the ideal customer profile. So who is the person that would need my service? And how do you know that? Through step 1, which is your experience. Did you at any time in your journey become either a project manager, a business analyst, a financial person, a software tester? Whatever it is in the educational space, you can take this knowledge and teach other people. Now, it might not necessarily be career. It could be business. Did you run a business for some time? Take your business experience and create a curriculum or a framework around that business experience, and you can teach people. So back to our ideal customer profile. Who needs this experience that you have? You need to know them. What's their age? What are their interests? What are their pain points and challenges? Because this is how your coaching program will help them overcome their challenges, and most importantly, get them to their desired state. That is how you know your ideal customer profile. Now that you know, in step 1, you have your experience and knowledge. Step 2, you know your niche. And step 3, you know your ideal customer profile. Now, what do you need to do? You need to get leads, or what we call client acquisition strategies. How do you get your ideal customer profile to know more about your coaching program and then buy it? that is where we go in step 4, which is your client acquisition strategies. Now, from experience and what I do know, organic marketing or organic traffic is good, it's cost effective, but if you need to scale your coaching program really fast, then you need to explore doing paid advertising. Either paid advertising on using YouTube videos, Google ads, or Meta ads, which is Facebook and Instagram. These are some of the most effective and cost-effective ways of scaling your business. And I also need to mention TikTok ads is also another cost-effective way of getting leads. So let's go back. Remember your ideal customer profile. And like I said, for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on career. So these people are trying to transition into tech. Maybe they want to become digital marketers, or maybe they want to become project managers and business analysts. So they want to become project managers, and you have been a project manager for over 5 years. Now, what were the things you learned in getting into and becoming a project manager? What were the templates you used? What was the interview secrets you used? How was your training? And all this knowledge you have gathered for the past 5 years and all the projects you have executed, you can take that knowledge and create a framework and help this ideal customer transition into tech through your knowledge and through your coaching. So that is step 4. So how do you get there? You can either do a sprint, which is a challenge, where you get a lot of people to be part of this challenge for like 3 or 4 days to get a taster into what it feels like to be a project manager. Or you could organize a webinar where you invite them into a room, a virtual room, and then you share a few things, and then you move them from interest into conversion, which leads us to step 5, which is now taking your clients and then moving them into a platform where you now coach them. Now, this could be your learning platform, or this could be your community. You could host your community on Slack, on School, on Facebook groups, and even some people host their communities on Telegram or WhatsApp. Whichever you choose, that should be your step 5, where you have your client, your ideal client, you have done your client acquisition strategy, which in this case is a webinar, and they have decided to be part of your program, and then you now host them in your learning platform or your community, which is either of this platform, which is Slack, School, Telegram, WhatsApp, or even Facebook groups. So that is how you start and scale your coaching program. Well, there are other ways and things you need to do, which we might not cover up in this video, but following these 5 steps would help you start a lucrative coaching program in 2024. And like I said earlier, you realize that every platform out there does the same. SimpleLearn does the same. Udemy does the same. And every other platform out there, they all do the same. They run ads, they get your interest, they move you over into their platform, which is their learning management platform, and they give you part of the program to test, which is what you do with your webinar, so that people can get interested and you finally buy, and they retarget you through emails and other retargeting means. I'll go deeper into that into other videos, but I hope you've found the right framework of following these 5 steps that would help you start a lucrative coaching program in 2024. Well, if you need help in starting your coaching program, why don't you check the description where I put other links and show notes that will help you scale your coaching program in 2024. And also, if you like to know how to start or create your own YouTube videos, where you know the mics that I use, the lights, and all the other gear that I use, I also put the links in the show notes, so you can go there, check out my Amazon store, where you can get all these tools that you can use to create videos like this. I would help you scale your coaching program in 2024. And finally, if you need help with the ChatGPT prompts that I shared on the screen, I have that as well in the description. So until then, I will see you at the next one.